Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing for January. The theme this month is Rise. And let's see what kind of snacks we got. So the first thing I'm pulling out, there's two of them. It says Love Corn. P.S. We're crunchy, we're delicious. And they're both smoked barbecue flavor. That sounds good. Just roasted corn that is flavored. Next up from Dick and Jane, there are some cookies. These are the fun and fitness ones. In the past we've got ones with like states or presidents on them, on the cookies, which is really cool. Makes it fun for kids to eat. From Made Good, we have chocolate chip granola minis. That sounds really good. Safe from peanuts and tree nuts, organic. It says with vegetables, huh? Let's see what kind of vegetables. Has vegetable extracts, spinach, broccoli, carrots, tomatoes, beets, and shiitake mushrooms. So those look really good. Also got a sample. Sometimes there's like non-food or non-snack items in there. There's a sample of Purell multi-surface disinfectant. So that's nice to have. Ooh, I'm excited for these. These are so good. They're dill pickle flavored chips. Kettle cooked potato chips. I am going to eat those as I'm uploading this video because they are just so good. Had these before in the past. These are pretty good. It's just called That's It. There's 2 apples and cinnamon. There's no added sugar. There's nothing else in it. You can actually buy these at Target. They have different flavors as well. Just a nice little fruit snack. Then from the Belgian Boys, this is one mini caramel waffle. Those little Stroop waffles. Those are really good. Then we have some tea. We have black tea with vanilla and black tea with peach. So we got some tea samples this month. And then a couple pieces of candy. Tom and Jenny's. I wonder if this is like taffy? Caramel? Yeah, it's a caramel. So we got that. And then at the bottom, there's always a bunch of coupons and advertisements. A lot of times we get these wine vouchers. I've never used those, so if you guys want that code, go ahead and grab it. 25% off for the candy, and then a HelloFresh. That's for $30 off. I actually have a $40 off one, so I'll put that below if you guys are interested in a HelloFresh one. But I love this box because it comes packed with all sorts of little snacks. It's great for if you have kids, or a lot of times I bring this stuff to work and just munch on it. And I do have a promo code, so if you guys are interested in trying Love with Food, I will put that below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.